Hey Connie, Corey here. Barb told me to send out this video for you. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips. These tips is just going to help you gain more traffic, help you get some of these keywords on that first page of Google, help you bring in more of these leads and help grow your business. The first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google loves words. Everything that you see, Google sees as well. Even all these little images, this all has content behind it as well. You got RA heating. You can actually keep your name up in your logo area. Be really specific with the keywords that you actually stick back here. That way you can actually get some better rankings, help bring in more of these leads that's coming in online as well. So your first tip is really changing out these images, adding some more images too, but also increasing your word count. I like to be right around 2,000 words, especially on that first page. That way you can actually layer in those keywords, and those keywords are what people are searching for, and realistically how your website is even being found. Kind of give you an idea here. If I go inside of Google, type in heating, cooling, Madison, WI, this is what you're going to see. You got this little map pack or the GMB or Google My Business listing right here at the very top. A bunch of companies competing to get to the top 3 sections where all the traffic actually lands. And to get in the top sections here, you're going to be dealing with these online directories called citations. These are like Facebook, LinkedIn, CityStar, Local Best, the BBB, Yelp. There's thousands of them out there. So what we'd want to do is come in, go get those same citations from our top competitors. We obviously want to go out and completely outrank them as well. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that your top competitors have. So when Google does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all the work that you did in this listing. Underneath that GMB, we have that first page of Google. This is where all that organic traffic lands right here on that first page. And for those keywords that you're actually searching for, or those keywords that you actually want to be ranked for, to get those on there, it really comes down to having all that content in place, those right words, being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. Backlinks are just links from other websites, linking right back to yours, pushing power, which not all backlinks are created equal. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got 113 referring domains pushing back 371 backlinks. Historically, you've had about 2.2 thousand there. 594 keywords you're being found for, which you got about 134 clicks, searches to your site. PPC stands for pay-per-click, so it does look like you're running some ads in there as well. So here's all your keywords. This is the position that you actually ranked for. We can actually see all your keywords, your positioning. Here's all your first positions, which it looks like it's your name. Heat, move, okay, let's go to the second page. Yeah, so here's those keywords that we actually want to be found for. These keywords, what's really driving that traffic, like heating and air conditioning, Madison, WI, HVAC, Madison air conditioning, furnace repair, Madison, WI, there's 100 searches. 9th position, you only got a few clicks right there, not getting really any searches in these ones either. But really just comes down making sure you have that content in place with these keywords, and also making sure you're doing those backlinks. Those backlinks, you're going to notice once you're actually in the top, the top 5 positions, that traffic really starts coming in pretty heavy, being in a better position, obviously. Anyway, I'd love to put a custom game plan so that way we can actually drive more traffic for you. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I look forward to chatting soon with you though. Take care. Bye.